What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to add video transitions in Davinci Resolve, and make sure to stick around to the end of the video so you know exactly how to do this step by step. And once you've watched this video, guys, you'll be able to do this no problem. Davinci Resolve can seem intimidating to a lot of people. I didn't really use it at first. I was using Shotcut for a long time, but now I'm so glad I switched over. It's a lot better. In my opinion, it's the best free video editing software behind Premiere Pro and Final Cut. But those are paid, so this is free, and it's awesome. It's got all types of transitions and stuff. But let's get right into it, guys. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Smash that like button if this helps you out. Turn on them post notifications so you know exactly when I come out with a brand new video. Now, today's video is all about transitions in Davinci Resolve, and it's real simple. It's just going to be a quick video. I'm not showing you how to do the special effects, like where you can download like transitions and stuff, like lighting transitions and all types of other cool stuff. I'm just going to show you the built-in transitions on Davinci Resolve. Now, first thing, I got a project opened up that I've been working on. So let's come up here. So once you guys are in your edit tab, you got your video edited all out or whatever, or you're actually editing a video and you want to add a transition. What you want to do is come up here. You see where it says media pool. Right next to it, it's going to say effects library. You want to click on that, and it's real simple. Under toolbox, hit the drop down arrow. Come over here to video transitions. They also have audio transitions too, but this video is about the video transitions. So let's click on that. Now when you click on it, you can see over here to the right, it's got a lot of preset transitions, but we're going to go with my favorite one right now, which is the blur dissolve. Okay, once you got your clip and you got a cut where you want it to be transitioned, you're going to pick whichever transition you want. You're going to click on it, hold it, drag it, and just bring it over to wherever you're going to want the transition. So you see in between these two clips, I just bring it right here and drag and drop, let go, and you're good to go. So here's the transition is already in here. Now let's just preview it real quick. Let me mute this. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, you see how I did that blur? And just comes back. Okay, so some transitions you put on the side, and see how it doesn't overlap into both clips. You can choose to do it like this, depending on the transition. Some of them will let you, some of them will only be where it's two clips together. Some of them you just put it on the end or the beginning of one of the clips. But most of them you can pick like how I did here, where it's on both of them. For blur dissolve, I think that works the best. Now also from here you can come to the side of the transition box, make it longer, make it shorter. You can also do keyframes, which I'm not going to get into right now. That's for a whole nother video, guys. We'll show you some keyframes. This is just a basic trying to get you to be able to get some nice transitions in your videos, add a little production value. Comment down below, let me know if this is helping you out so far. Thanks for watching, everyone. We just broke 10,000 subscribers, so we're going to be doing a giveaway soon. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Be on the lookout for that soon. And I really appreciate all the 10,000 subscribers that came. Thanks for watching, all of you. Appreciate it. And we're going to try to get 10,000 more. But getting back to the transitions, we got this box here. Let's see what it looks like when I made it a little bigger. See how it was a much longer dissolve? Let's make it even bigger than that. Okay, now we got it really big transition. So we're going to click this. Let's see. See how long it takes to blur and then come back into focus. So you can just play around with them. They also got cross dissolve, dip to color dissolve, smooth cut, hexagon iris, all types of stuff. So you can play around with these. Let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below. Also, to delete them, all you got to do is just right click, click delete. You can also copy them and put them somewhere else, paste them somewhere else. But I'm just going to delete that one for now. And I hope this video helps you out, guys. If you're new to Davinci Resolve, be sure to check out the Davinci Resolve playlist. I also have a playlist for Shotcut, and I'm going to be coming out with at least 10 to 15 videos on Davinci Resolve. So if you want to learn all types of stuff and be able to edit your own videos, have no problems doing it. Also, I got some affiliate links in the description below for some cool tech gear and other stuff that I recommend. So take a look at that if you're interested. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.